What's the meaning of Cary Grant? Cary Grant. Cary Grant.
Cary Grant. Cary Grant. Cary Grant was an English-American actor known for his debonair demeanor, good looks, and comedic timing. Born as Archibald Alexander Leach in 1904 in Bristol, England, Grant made his way to Hollywood in the 1930s and became a major movie star. He starred in numerous classic films such as North by Northwest, An Affair to Remember, and Charade. Grant was also known for his philanthropy and was awarded an honorary Academy Award for his contributions to cinema in 1970. He passed away in 1986.